This is the fifth step in setting up your new SMS-iT account. In this step, we'll configure the general settings for the SMS-iT platform. To begin, click on My Organization. This section allows you to access and configure platform-wide settings. From there, click on Account Settings. In Account Settings, you can enable or disable various features that affect how the platform functions. Make sure to review each setting carefully. If a required setting is left on and you don't configure it, you may not be able to save your changes and the platform may not work as expected. Here's a brief overview of the available settings. Artificial intelligence enables Agentic AI for communication, automation, and smart assistants. Automatic call recordings and transcripts record phone calls and generate transcripts. New subscriber alert notifies you when someone joins your contact list. Missed call text back sends a text message automatically if you miss a call. Call modal after call completed opens a follow-up form after a call ends. Anniversary capture collects anniversary information from leads who opt in using your group keyword. Name capture collects names from leads who opt in using your group keyword. Email capture collects emails from leads who opt in using your group keyword. Email to SMS and SMS to email allows seamless conversion between email and text messages. Low credit and funds balance alerts notify you when your SMS or account balance is low. Low cloud credit threshold alerts you when your cloud credit drops below a set level. Incoming SMS alerts notify you when new texts are received. Incoming email alerts notify you when new emails arrive. Call forward redirects calls to another number. Delay between messages adds a pause between each message to avoid spam. Batch processing sends messages in groups to manage high-volume campaigns. Daily limit restricts how many messages can be sent per day. Sending days allows you to specify which days messages are sent. Send received messages to email forwards incoming text to your email inbox. Timing controls the time window for sending messages. Google Analytics tracks user behavior across the platform. Facebook Analytics monitors campaign performance on Facebook. Webhook configuration enables live data sharing with other apps through webhooks. Two-factor authentication adds a security step during login. Number lookup verifies and validates phone numbers. TinyLink shortens URLs for use in your messages. Unsubscribe and resubscribe keywords allow contacts to opt out or back in using simple commands. Double opt-in keyword and message ensures users confirm their subscription for compliance. Send SMS, MMS, and RCS without country code for SIM card enables local message sending when using a SIM card. Receive faxes lets you receive faxes directly through the platform. More configurations will be added in future updates. Once your preferred settings are selected, click Save to apply the changes. This concludes the setup for configuring general settings in the SMS-iT platform. See you in the next tutorial.